Hey y'all, hey! So I am Shani Rasco and I am one half of the Rascos. And tonight I don't want an adult, but I don't have a choice because we gotta eat. So if you're like us and you have those nights where you really don't feel like cooking, but you also trying to manage your coin so you don't want to do takeout, then stay tuned because I'm going to make us a really quick, really inexpensive dinner tonight. All right, so I don't know if I recently just learned that everybody doesn't have Aldi, and I am so sorry because I couldn't imagine not having an Aldi in my neighborhood, but we have an Aldi, and so everything that I am using tonight is all Aldi ingredients. And so I am making buffalo chicken wraps. So I have, and I'm cheating, okay? So I'm using the air fryer tonight, but I have some buffalo style chicken strips, okay, from Aldi. I have a Caesar salad kit. So this has everything I need already in it. Iceberg lettuce, green leaf lettuce, Caesar dressing, shredded cheese, and croutons are already in here. I'm not using the croutons, obviously. I have cheese because I love cheese. So I bought extra cheese. And of course we have some tortilla shells. I also bought extra dressing. I probably won't use the dressing though, but yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. So I need some salad mix. Y'all, I don't know, like I feel like I'm strong, but I'm not really strong. I don't really know how that works. Okay. Whew. That was a lot of work. I'm gonna just dump. And I may not use all of this, but we'll see. And so it comes with all the stuff, all the fixings on the side, already like pre-packed. Okay, so I have some cheese already. I am gonna dump this cheese in there, but I'm gonna probably use the sharp cheddar for myself, like in addition to that, because yeah, I like cheese basically. I love cheese. So dump that in there, and then you want to dump this salad dressing in there. Okay. Yeah. And I've had this before, so don't be like, girl, you ain't even tried it. I've had this salad mix before. We buy it all the time. Pasha actually started buying these when I went to Manila for work about a year and a half ago, just as a quick meal since it was just her. And when I got back, I really liked them. So I'm like, girl, we need to keep buying these. They're about $2, maybe like $2 and some odd cents here. Toss my salad. That was corny. So yeah, I would definitely add, like, Pasha doesn't like a lot of dressing on her food, so I'm not going to add more of the seasoned dressing to this. But when I make my personal wrap, I'm probably going to add more. This is a nice amount. I just like my food to be drenched. Like, I am a condiment whore. Yes, I said that. So I like my food to be drenched in dressing and all the things. So yeah, I'm gonna add more to that. But it's done. See, already done. So next, I'm going to make the again, I'm not gonna use the croutons. I'm gonna keep them because I do like them. So I'm gonna just stick them in the refrigerator. But now I'm gonna air fry. It's pink. I got this on sale during Black Friday. I don't remember how much it was, but isn't she so cute? So Pasha actually isn't even home. I'm like, do I need to make hers now? But I might as well. She's actually been doing shakes for dinner. So she's been doing Herbalife, and she's been doing their shakes for breakfast and dinner, which is another way that our food kind of stretches. because she's not eating. So now these are kind of big, so I'm gonna probably cut them up some, but I'm gonna just probably do, I don't know, like 4. I've never made this before, y'all. I've never used these buffalo strips. They are huge though. Look at that. They are pretty big. So I'm going to stick these in the air fryer. Listen, I am that person. I love my air fryer. Don't judge me. I know it. And we gonna do, let's go 10 minutes. So my goal is to try to do this whole meal in less than 30 minutes. Personally, I feel like it shouldn't even take that long. Yo, I am actually going to get some plates so I can start. I think two should be enough to fill me up. I'm gonna start with 2, and then I got some listen. But if you have never had these voodoo chips, listen, you are missing out. These chips are so damn good, and for the longest I was only able to get them at Potbelly, and then they finally started selling them in store. I love these, and Pasha knows I love them, so she buys like 3 or 4 bags at a time. So I think I'm gonna have 2 of these wraps plus some chips, and I feel like that should satisfy me. So I'm gonna get some plates, or a plate, since Pasha's probably not gonna eat food, and I'm gonna start getting it together. We're gonna see how they come out. I'm gonna probably flip them. Obviously they ain't cooked well enough. I'm greedy, okay? I am greedy, and as a wedding gift, it was like a whole little set. Our wedding anniversary is next month, so I'm very like nostalgic and emotional lately, you know, being all excited about being married and carrying on. It's a beautiful thing, y'all. It's a beautiful thing. All right. So I can already smell like the buffalo. It smells delicious. So I'm just using these tortilla shells. Again, we grocery shop off Instacart, which obviously means the prices are inflated. However, it's super convenient for us because both my wife and I have a full-time job. We also both have businesses. So our day-to-day is just pretty busy, and that's not including the fact that, you know, just normal things that you have to take care of at home. So sometimes going to the grocery store, it's a lot of work, and time is a currency, you know. So we try to manage it well. So we do use Instacart. Sometimes we'll still go to the grocery store, but we do use Instacart. And so the prices are probably going to be inflated, but I'll try to like give y'all how much we spent on this whole little meal. So there are, Pasha probably wouldn't do this much cheese, but again, I really like cheese, so I want all of it. Okay, give me all the cheese. So I'm gonna wait till this is done. These are actually cooking really fast. They look really pretty, and they're buffalo, so that's another reason I'm probably going to add some dressing. So this is the other dressing I bought. I am not, like, I do have certain foods that I have to have certain brands of, but for the most part, I'm not a big name brand person. I usually honestly don't care. So this is, I think, the Aldi brand, or other places may sell Tuscan Garden. I don't know. But we get it from Aldi. It's a pretty good dressing. And we eat a lot of salad, so we just have a bunch of dressings in our refrigerator anyway. But I'm definitely probably going to have to add. That's fine. I'm going to definitely add some extra dressing to mine. I'm going to grab a knife so I can cut them up. I'm hungry, y'all. That's the thing. The air fryer cooks super duper fast. Okay. There we go. Now this one, it's not like a super fancy electric one, so it won't, like, it has to cook all the way before it cuts off. So that's why y'all can still hear it. But I Yes. Yes. I'll cut this up. That's what it looks like. Woo. I'm sure my dog is like waiting on me to drop something, y'all. Woo, that's hot. Okay. And honestly, I'm being extra. I don't have to cut these up. They're big enough to where I could have just stuck them on there. Don't judge me. Sometimes I'm just extra and I can't help myself. Okay? My wife knows it. She loves me anyway. And that's all that matters. Alright. Because it's hot. Okay. So, got the chicken. Add. Ooh. Y'all ain't see that. I'm done. I've never made this before, but I would imagine it would taste good. I thought I was going to be able to wrap it up real fancy, but I probably should have bought bigger shells or whatever. Y'all, McDonald's who? Where? That is so good. Yeah, Passions go like that. Oh my God. Y'all. Oh my God. That's fine. I didn't even need the extra dressing. It was actually enough dressing. If I wanted this like extra crispy, I probably could have left it in the air fryer for longer. I didn't. But, so they cooked in less than 10 minutes. Oh my God. This meal took me less than 20 minutes. So, for my busy people, you got an air fryer. I think the bag said they take like 25 minutes in the oven. But they took like 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes in the air fryer. The salad took me like 2 minutes to do. Because I was being extra and cut it up. But this meal took me less than 20 minutes, y'all. So, if you're looking for a quick meal, and an inexpensive quick meal like that, this is where that. Okay? If you ain't got an Aldi, you need to move, child. You need to just move. Alright? Anywho, I'm finna finish my food. I got one more left and some chips. I'm gonna take this wig off and relax.